Hey travelers, welcome back to another video. Today, Dears and I will be doing our last video on our St. Cloud day trip.
St. Cloud doesn't have very many beaches, so the main reason why Quarry Park was established is for the city to have more beaches. The park has an entry fee of $10 per vehicle. The park has 680 acres of land, which means there's a lot to do, including hiking, swimming, cliff jumping, rock climbing, fishing, and even scuba diving. Quarry 12 is one of the smallest and shallowest of the quarries at 23 feet deep. Swimming and cliff jumping are only allowed in 2 quarries. You'll see the only one with the beach in this video, and that's quarry number 11, that is 40 feet deep. Quarry number 2 has no beach, but is the tallest cliff at 20 feet high and the deepest waters at 116 feet. Also swim at your own risk. There are no lifeguards, plus there are sudden drops, and the rock is slippery. This is one of the largest quarries in the park at 40 feet deep. It's also the only quarry that has a beach. Mud turtles and fish can be found in this quarry. This quarry has a big drop from 0 to 20 feet, so make sure little ones have life jackets.
Weird. It almost kind of reminds me of like a spring break type scenario.
I know, she does.
Like in the movies.
Yeah.
The park offers a lot for hikers to see, including forest, wetlands, and prairies. You can also explore many quarries, and in the park there are plenty of overlooks. The quarry is over 100 years old, starting in 1868 and ending in the mid-1950s. The quarries were used to mine a type of granite that was very popular at the time, known as St. Cloud red granite.
Pile of rocks. Reminds me of banding. Oh, looks like they're doing construction. But I'm curious. What's over here? Oh, they're just building a bridge that walks through the quarry. Ah, it is a bridge. Oh, it's on a area there's nobody.
I want to know how they got all these piled up like that.
Quarry 14 is an average size for a quarry in the park, and its depth is 47 feet. There are beams found in this quarry showing where the crane used to be.
But it's so cool seeing all the grooves on the rocks.
That one looks really cool.
Like, on that rock, the grooves on that one, it's crazy. But then seeing how high these rocks are piled up.
Quarry 13 is larger than average, but still a smaller quarry. The deepest part reaches 39 feet. At this quarry you can go fishing and scuba diving. There are also many vehicles at the bottom of the quarry. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are on this location. If you've been here, how's the experience? Would you recommend this location to others? And if you haven't been here, would you like to explore this park? Also, please subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this one.
Oh, chipmunk!
The park has 20 quarries where the special granite was dug up. Because of this and a few other quarries in the area, St. Cloud earned its name Granite City.
Trout and diving. Excuse me, babe. Oh, and you found an agate.
In the park, there are 5 different companies mining for stone, and some of these quarries have special names from those companies. The quarry was sold to Stearns County in 1992, and in 1998 the quarry was turned into a park. Fun fact, I was born in 1998, so the quarry and I are the same age, 25.
Oh, you are most definitely right.
Of course I'm right. Why wouldn't I be right?
This is so pretty. I don't like water. I don't like swimming. I don't like wearing a bathing suit. So that's kind of lost on me. This is what I like. This kind of stuff. And I know during this video I'll be telling you guys the history, but as of right now recording, I am super excited to learn about the history from this location.
The most amount of water in Quarry 17 is 5 feet. Red and gray granite can be found here as well. Red granite from this quarry were used in buildings and monuments. Some of this granite is still seen in St. Cloud and St. Paul, but most of the buildings with this type of granite have been demolished over the years. Throughout the park, you'll find large piles of rocks known as grout piles. These piles can reach up to 40 to 60 feet high. Throughout the park, some of these grout piles have observation decks on top of them that give you an overview of the quarries. About 80% of stone that was mined are in grout piles and are considered flawed rock.
So there's the observation area. That's where we just were at. And now we are below it. A guideline is a cable that at one end is attached to a spider, and the other end is attached to the staple. The guidelines are what holds the mast straight up. And that is that.
So the spider's at the very top.
Yeah, I see that spider. I love it. Spider and guy line. Creative. And then the grout piles, which is where we were just standing on. Oh! I didn't see that.
It's polished.
Oh, it fell over. And broke. Oh yeah, so these were standing at one point, but they fell and broke. So this is what they were digging for, the granite. This one's not that deep. You can see the bottom. Big saw. So I'm guessing that's probably what cut up the stone. Yes, it is. The granite saw blade is 11 and a half feet tall in diameter and is from a processing plant that cut granite. This is so cool. See, I was hoping to get like up there on those rocks to get some more pictures, but that area is again restricted and I don't want to get in trouble for wanting to get pictures. Compared to everything else, you can see the bottom. I know the really bad spot for reflection, but if you go right there, that square, you can see how like it goes just down.
Nicknamed Benty 14, Curry 18 is one of the largest in the park with a depth of 58 feet. A grout pile is what separates Curry 18 and Curry 19. Red and gray granite can be found in the Curry. If you'd like to know more about our experience from this location and learn what there is to do around the area, plus see how far this location is from Twin Cities, or check out my socials and see more photos from this location, check out the description, plus the links where I got all my information will be there too.
Chipmunks everywhere, Jesus. This is the end of today's video, so like are coming. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We had a lot of fun on our little day trip today. Again, I recorded a vlog, so if you guys want to check it out, it'll be on my second channel, link will be in the description. Plus, if you'd like to see more pictures that Darius took of me on this trip and other trips, check out my Instagram.
I'm a fantastic photographer, believe it or not.
So my hair, I don't know why, but my hair really likes to stick up. That'll also be in the description. And with that, we will see you guys next Wednesday at 5 p.m. Central.